tuone makomenti a nyimbo imene iyi makamaka nyimbo indi guys nyimbo ndi imene ndeti ngoyang'ana makomenti 3000 sizi kubeba rozanizano jende nyimbo izai. Cheers to us who react, laugh before watching the video. Ha 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 ha. Honestly, Daniel is an insane guy and he doesn't know what he's doing. That's why okay. To one my comment wasobano. Honestly, Daniel is an insane guy who doesn't know what he's doing. That's why his Back to My Roots album did not do well because of the bad luck. We've caught it by bonding with Chakwera and MCP. I am the other Malawians used to love and celebrate Daniel, but now to me, alingati ma bi amu booze. Anyway, I don't want to say something. I don't want to sound so crazy. Which stadium? You must be out of your senses. You did this song for money and it's not even a political motivated song. Which stadiums? Guys, ndungolinga ma comment ndufuna ndipeze kwa nyimbo ya Ojen and ndufuna ndipeze comment ya positive yet or negative. Nyimbo ndi yalozanizano ichi. Anthu avedalero kama kulizi. Lozanizano song is only a political song you sang led by Holy Spirit, but it's okay. Malawi music industry will not develop if talented musicians are doing this. I'm not getting any sense from the song. DPP is the best in everything, including music composition. Anyone who praise MCP just know that they just need beneficial, nothing else. Yo, guys, me calling Peter Mutadika after listening to the song. Guys, do comment ya positive. Amala marani good. Mpanga ni support nzana. Warusaba mu mamunyoza ya subu na mvere basi waisira kuimba yandale hii mubeza kuti mugumure naso. Ndiyo nzana alwele good. Malawi kasa kajoji. Dan ku olo uli homeboy wanga wajao koma sensitive. Unfortunately, I did not get anything from this. Poor audio, poor composition, poor video, directive, rolling. Hey, guys, music is a business crisis. You regret this. Why are you not comfortable? It's not giving honesty. Guys, magadeta guye nyimbo pano wabwera kuzakhala at least imene ikwaneka ngati at least koma ndi out my comment in all Lozanizano and the Shubi remains the biggest hits for your career. Mwangoja zaulele, there is no passion. The fall of Mwene Mutapa. Zongenda abadaniele lufari bwatabas. Nyimbo ndi Lozanizano. Guys, I was looking for positive comment. I didn't get it. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. Malawian cameras. Tell us what you think about this song. Bye. Amalawi munakhala bwanji. Support your local artist. Why? Amalawi munakhala bwanji. Nzanu basi. At least chabuno. So at least just say okay. I know. Okay, just say something good. Say something good, please. Please, say something good, please. Please say something good to him, please. Please. I beg you guys. Why are you so mean?